going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs, and today we are going to be replacing our bulbs with these awesome LEDs. Now J87 has sent me out these awesome LED bulbs to enhance the look of my Avalanche, and I have already installed so many of them throughout the process of this project. You guys have seen them. If you haven't, I'll leave the video link somewhere up here or here or here or in the description below so y'all can find it. But anyway, if you notice, when we unlock our vehicle, that one lights up, this one's dead. So we're gonna replace it from this bulb to this bulb. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, so we are underneath the Avalanche on the passenger side to remove this bulb. So right here, it is like a locking tab. You just gotta press this locking tab in and turn it. And when you turn it, it pulls out really simple. Now let's remove it from, let's pull the wire from underneath the truck and bring it outside so you can get a clearer view. Alrighty guys, so here is the entire wire with the light bulb socket and the bulb. If you notice, it has this little rainbow tinge to it. That means it's blown. So we're gonna pull this crap out because we don't need this one in here. And we're just gonna toss it to the side. Try not to break it. And then we're gonna install our new LED one. So we're gonna pop this in. You hear it snap, and we're gonna double check to make sure it works. So let me get my key, let me press unlock, and let's see how it lights up. Woohoo! This thing is super bright. It's definitely gonna make the Avalanche stand out. Now I just gotta slide myself back underneath and work it till it fits right in that socket. Let's go! Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick episode of me installing these sick LED lights. They are super bright and super awesome. It's definitely gonna light me up in those nighttime roads. This is sick. So if you guys are interested, I'm definitely gonna leave the link in the description below so you guys can definitely get yourself some for your Avalanche. With all that being said and done, I'll see you all for the next one. Peace.